morning everyone, this is Sean with Service First. Today we're going to be going over our install for our 6-foot Orion Flagpole. Let's go ahead and review what comes in our Orion Flagpole kit. The flagpole itself is 6 feet and it's going to come in 2 different sections of 3 feet. They are both made of 12 gauge aluminum. On this pole we have our badging for honoring our veterans, as well as a 360-degree swivel clip. On this section is where our gold ball finial will be installed at the top, and both of them, as you can see, the 360-degree swivel clips that will keep your flag straight. We have our anchoring hardware right here as well, and our premium 3x5 American flag. Also today we'll be showing you some different add-ons that you can put on as well. We have our black solar light and our gold eagle finial. So really our whole goal here at Service First is to ensure that we create these premium products to give you something that you're proud of and something that's going to last you a long time. For example, that's why we went with 12 gauge aluminum stainless steel flagpole clips and a premium sewn and embroidered flag to make sure that this is built to last. Alright, so today for our install we've chosen the front pillar of this home. It's a flat hardy board surface which will make for a pretty easy install. However, if you are going to install any masonry, uneven surfaces, or concrete, we recommend seeking advice from a local home improvement professional on how to anchor it properly. Alright, so let's go ahead and place our mount. We're going to try to find the most central position that we can. We'll also use a leveler to ensure that we are going to be level, which we are. Now we'll mark off, and now we can begin drilling our holes. So now that we have our holes drilled, let's go ahead and use the hardware that was included in the kit to install our wall mount. Alright, so instead of using our gold ball finial that comes with the Orion kit, we're going to be using our gold eagle finial, which is an add-on in conjunction with another add-on, our black solar lighting. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, chat with us online, or visit our website at servicefirstproducts.com.